2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, navigation system, keyless entry, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, aluminum wheels, front floor mats, auto-off headlights, rear defrost, universal garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.